going?
I'll tell you in a second. Come on. Happy birthday! This is your surprise. So how do you guys like your goldfish?
Well, I like how they have a variety of colors.
Mom, where are my presents? Where are my clowns? And where are my friends?
Well, here are your presents right here. And your friends are coming in an hour.
Where are my clowns?
See, they're practicing something very special just for you. So I'm gonna go check on that.
No.
Hey, year 4. I'm desperately in need of entertainers for my daughter's birthday party. You guys think you could help?
We can talk about science.
That's perfect. Come on. So, Talia, these are your new friends and your entertainers.
Can they sing while juggling, or can they juggle goldfish?
What can you guys do?
Well, I came up with natural selection. See, this green goldfish blends in with the green plate, and this regular goldfish does not. So that means the green goldfish will increase in its size.
That's enough. That's enough. So, what can you do? Hey, you two. Don't eat all those cookies, or else you're going to go to the dentist soon.
That reminds me of my recent trip to the dentist when my wisdom teeth got pulled out. Did you know that our wisdom teeth are vestigial structures, which means that they are not useful to us? Also, male crabs use a small front claws to attract mates and defend off predators. Because they use claws so much, it becomes larger. So large claws gets passed on to the next generation.
I object to that false accusation. Inherited characteristics are traits that are passed on by previous family members. By natural selection, wisdom teeth have been passed on because they have no effect on survival.
Guys, stop fighting! Can't we just get along? It's a birthday party.
All right. That's enough. That's enough. So, what can you do?
Well, I believe that when food production is more than is needed by the population increases. If population grows too much faster than the food production, the population growth is slowed by famine, disease, and war. In general, this would create an ecological disaster.
Isn't that how the dinosaurs got extinct?
Not exactly. That ties into descent with modification, the founder effect, and genetic drift.
How?
Well, the founder effect states that gene pools change due to groups migrating to new environments.
That's right. Also, genetic drift is a random change in small populations by individuals of one type of allele producing more.
Well, let me jump in and say that species evolved from the same ancestor relates to descent with modification.
Wait. Founder effect, genetic drift, descent with modification. Aren't you missing one?
Hold your horses, little girl. I'm getting there. Gradualism is where organisms gradually change over time.
Wait, Mom, didn't we have tails a long time ago?
I'm not sure. Maybe you should ask one of the scientists.
Yes, little girl. We do have tailbones. They are called homologous structures. They are structures that are the same in the embryo but go differently in the future.
You just know everything, don't you?
Yes, little girl. Yes, I do. You know what this reminds me of? Geographic isolation. Let's see. This is a population of a species, and this is their land. There's a mountain right here, also,
And it starts raining.
and it starts to rain. But let's say half of their species goes over to another side of their land. But when it keeps raining, the mountain creates a river, which separates the two populations. So now they are geographically isolated.
What about reproductive isolation? What's the difference? Well, reproductive isolation is when there are two different species or populations so that they won't be able to produce offsprings because they are two different species. Well, I've been learning in school, in our history class, about Industrial Revolution. Do you know anything that happened there that relates to science?
Yes, industrial melanism relates to it. For example, factories during the Industrial Revolution caused darker moths to blend in and not get eaten, while the lighter moths that used to blend in are the ones being eaten now.
Oh, that makes sense.
You guys sure we're hungry? Let's pretend that this is a little population of crumbs. but the gene frequency changes, and they become cookies.
Michael!
They juggle.
How do you stop me? What did I push?
Stop it. Well, you see, I came up with natural selection. This green goldfish blends in better in its habitat, while the regular goldfish does not.
The small front claws attract mates and defend off predators. Because front claws use so much, it becomes larger.